place is very busy, more than I expected. Get your Gucci slippers. Jewelry, your sunglasses. Malaysia, some nice shirts. Right too. I like that. Let's see if I can find something today that I like. I'm actually still looking for another bag.
I don't have any top to wear. No, top.
A lot of nice designer bags. Definitely a good place to come and get souvenirs. Bluey. Nice fans, food, hats. Chestnuts. Maybe.
Hello, tattoo hai hello.
But thank you.
The guy wasn't going to take it.
Sell me a watch. But I have a watch. Jewelry, watches. What I've seen so far, I could definitely recommend it. I don't know what the prices are, but I'm guessing they're not too bad. Bob Marley. Oh, have watch. More designer bags. A lot of Coach bags there. Honda.
Where did you go?
Christian Dior bags. Whoa. So I know some people don't like the video of their stalls for obvious reasons, so.
Sir, watches, sir. High quality watches.
No, thank you.
Sir. Free looking, sir.
No, thank you.
High quality, sir.
Prada, Milano. So I actually did see a bag that I was interested in earlier. I'll have to go back and check it out here very shortly. It's a lot of nice stuff here. I heard the quality's decent. I've not bought anything, so I don't know. I've not bought anything yet. Patagonia. Some good food. So his place there at the condo where I stay, oh my God, the food there, it's not only good, the portions are huge. I've got 3 takeaway meals and so far it's been like 7. And I like good portions. Drinks, please pay first. Hong Kong egg waffle. I've not tried them. I've heard they're good. Fans. More watches. That's what the sign says.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
More luggage. I'm good. Too hot for me.
How much?
People trying to sell me a hat. It's too daggone hot for a hat. Well, for me anyhow. Some nice shirts.
Yes, hello sir, cheap price.
Howdy. Okay, here's what we're going to go look at. Well, here's another little area that I wanted to walk through. It looks quite nice. I just walked through what I'm guessing is a homeless area, but that's not the kind of thing I like to show in my videos. And it was small. Durian. Durian's okay. I just don't think I want durian ice cream. I could be wrong. Coconuts. Coconuts are always good. There we go, big flamingo sculpture. Yeah, all coffee. Fruit drink sounds good.
Taxi.
Huh?
Taxi for you.
I want a nice cold dragon fruit.
Banana. Goreng.
So we're down here at the River of Life. This is where I'm going to end the video. I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Check out the links in the description. And see you soon.